Hey guys, welcome back to RR Performance Store. Unlike our regular videos, today we have a different requirement जहाँ पे हम लोग बाइक का फुल पेंट करने वाले हैं. सो दिस पर्टिकुलर KTM RC200 ये कस्टमर को पूरा का पूरा नार्डो ग्रे में करना था, बट अनलाइक यूजुअल नार्डो ग्रेज दैट आर अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट जो लोग कर रहे हैं, he wanted it in matte color, matte finish basically. So nardo gray in matte finish with the chassis to be painted in black color, gloss black color, and the wheels and certain accents here and there in neon green color. So ये पूरा का पूरा highlighted होगा and बाकी का जितना भी है panels वगैरह उसको repair करना है. There are a lot of damages on the panels and वो repair करके उसको nardo gray matte finish में हम लोग paint करेंगे and the wheels will be in neon green. So we'll show you how we do this particular job. We'll first strip down the entire vehicle and then start with the base work and all that. Stay tuned. Cheers. So yeah guys, we've completed this particular bike. जो ये KTM RC390 है, इसको हमने पूरा का पूरा नार्डो ग्रे में किया हुआ है, and this is in matte finish. So whatever gray is there, that all is in matte, and the neon colors that are there, the neon green that is there on the wheels, that is gloss, and also the chassis has been painted. जो इसका chassis है, foot pegs है, ये सब जो चीज़ें हैं, इसको हम लोगों ने gloss black में paint किया है. So yeah, the entire bike is completed, and now we are waiting for the customer to come down to take delivery of the bike. Hope you guys like this particular video, and if you want any kind of job to be done on your car or your motorcycle, whether it's a paint job, mechanical work, you can hit us on the number given below, and you can call us, and we'll be more than happy to assist you. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll come up with such interesting projects. Cheers. Bye bye.